All right, we're just continuing our things to remember about the calculator. There will be several problems that you can solve using the calculator if you can know when to use it. And so we're going to go over 4 basic scenarios. And we're going to start in this section right here. That's going to be my first one I'm going to cover because there will be a few times on this test where you're going to see the word equivalent. It's going to say, which one of these answer choices down here, which one is equivalent to what's up here in this question? So whatever expression is in the question, you're going to put that into Y1. And then you're going to put your answer choice into Y2, as you can see. So the problem goes in Y1, answer choice goes in Y2, and then you're going to press the beautiful second and then the graph button. Okay? Once you do that, it's going to take you to the table, and if Y1 and Y2 are equal, if they're both equal, then that will be your answer choice, okay? But you have to try each one in order to do it. So that's a cool maybe 2 to 5 questions on the test, maybe. We'll see. They change it every year, so you never know, but they had up to about 5 of them last year. The next scenario I want to go over is this section right here, the very first one. Oops, didn't mean to use the highlighter there. Let's undo that. Let's use the beautiful pencil. This one right here, this section. It says, when I see a one variable equation. When you see a one variable equation, this is what it looks like. It just has one variable, one letter, even though that letter may appear more than once. And it may appear on both sides of the equal sign, as in this example. But it's still just one letter. What you can do is you can enter the left side into Y1, the right side into Y2, just like it says here. And then you're going to press graph first. You want to press graph first, okay? And then second, okay, trace, and then the number 5, and then enter 3 times. 3 times. Remember to do it 3 times. All right. I think you guys will get the hang of it. You know what's up. One of the most easiest sections, hopefully, is whenever you have a table right here, as in such, like this, you want to follow the steps in this area. Now you can ask for this graphic organizer so you can kind of remember the steps, but it won't have any words on it, so you kind of have to know the steps, okay? So you're gonna press stat. You know the drill. Stat, and then hit enter for edit. Put your left side, your X's in L1, your Y's in L2. Press stat again, go over the arrow to calc. Oops. Boy. Go over the calc. Press 4 if it's linear, but only if it's linear. Remember, you press 5 if it's quadratic. And then you press 0 if it's exponential. All right. and then you hit enter or scroll down to calculate and get it. You know the deal. All right, and then this scenario right here, this one right here. If you see y equals, or f of x equals, you want to enter that in to the y equals right here, plug it in, and then hit second graph, and go to the table. That's going to take you to the table. That's going to take you to the table. Take me to the cave. All right, it's going to take you to the table. Then you can look up, try to match coordinates or whatever the problem's asking you to do. All right? God bless. Good luck. Hey, one thing I do want to add is that whenever you press graph right up here in this first section, the reason why you want to do that is you want to check your window. You want to see if the two lines are intersecting inside the window. If not, then you go to your window settings like we discussed in the last video, and you make the window bigger or adjust it to where you can see the intersection before you go ahead and press the second trace, 5, enter, etc. Okay, that's it. Also, down here in the bottom section here, you may not always press second graph. It depends on your answer choices. If the answer choices are points or coordinates, then you will need to press second graph. But if they're graphs, if the answer choices are graphs, then just press graph. Okay? You know what to do.